Hello. We're so excited to have you here today. We're going to embark on a fun-filled adventure exploring colors, flowers, and much more. Get ready for some amazing activities that will spark your creativity and curiosity. Let's dive into a world of wonder and learning together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Color: red, red. Orange, orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Blue, blue. Pink, pink. Brown, brown. Black, black. White, white. Gray, gray. Teal, teal. Flower: rose, rose. Tulip, tulip. Lily, lily. Daisy, daisy. Orchid, orchid. Sunflower, sunflower. Peony, peony. Lavender, lavender. Marigold, marigold. Cherry blossom, cherry blossom. Iris, iris. Tree, tree. Grass, grass. Tamarind, tamarind. Bamboo, bamboo. Rubber tree, rubber tree. Coconut tree, coconut tree. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.